Where do humans come from?
Monkeys.
I'm sorry, come again?
Monkeys.
Monkey. No, sir. I'm asking a general question. We're not talking about just your family. No. The reason I'm asking, I'm not trying to make fun of this gentleman's family. I can prove Iranian race comes from parrot or bird, I would say. No. I will. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I will tell you why. If you ever go to any theater, plays, movie theater, concerts, after the show is over, when you look under the seats, it's like a freaking parrot's cage, full of pistachio nuts and shells and everything all over, just like a parrot's cage. خیلی ممنون دوستان. لطف کنید سابسکرایب کنید به کانال من تو یوتیوب برای خنده های بی پایان، چون خنده آفتاب روحه و هیچ کس بدون خنده رشد و نمو طبیعی نداره.